different types of
Not good. You have
and sources, yeah.
Okay. Now, even if you are not doing it, let me tell you the errors of mixed method. Number one error of mixed method is the research design. The type of design you are choosing for your mixed method. Mixed method has three basic research design. You see, we have the concurrent convergent design. Concurrent convergent. You see. Then number two, you have explanatory design. Explanatory. Number three, you have exploratory. Now, triangulation is not a design. It's a means of analyzing the data. Whenever you use more than one instrument, you triangulate. Don't just tell us that the research design for this study is triangulation design. Nothing like that. Am I communicating now? Now, colleagues, before you determine which of these three you are going to use in your mixed method, we must know under your instrument and instrument for data collection. Instrument for data collection must determine which of these design. You know, ironically, colleagues, research methodology, Professor Hendrik, I was thinking that it's supposed to start from the end and go to the fourth bottom. I mean, for the beginning. That is, it's supposed to start from data collection instrument before data analysis, collection instrument, the approach, design, paradigm should be last. But obviously it's opposite, which is a little bit confusing. Confusing in the sense that if I want to know your paradigm, once I see your paradigm, right, I will know your approach, I will know your design. But when it now comes to instruments, I have to read your instrument and go back to your design and paradigm. Whereas if I've started with your design, research design, I'll be able to understand that. Let me give you an example, Professor Hendricks and Dr. Pima and colleagues. Let me give you an example. Now, you are using pragmatism as a paradigm for your what? Mixed method. Obviously, anyone that uses pragmatism must use convergent. Concurrent, convergent what? Design. Because pragmatism brings the two together. Yes. That is both quality and quantity at the same time. You administer questionnaire, you also interview. Are you getting that? But when you are not saying your paradigm is post-positivism, am I communicating now? Post-positivism. Post means that after questionnaire is what? Interview. That is a sequence. After questionnaire is now what? Interview. And that is explanatory, not exploratory. Exploratory is opposite. One that is you carry out, and the problem we are making here is that we want to see in your work, when do you administer the questionnaire? Is when you have administered the questionnaire, we determine whether you even need people for interview. That is a determinant. That is explanatory. And vice versa, exploratory. Exploratory means that Bolekwa, you go to the school to administer interview. And in the process of administering interview, something striking came up that makes you to okay, let me conduct the questionnaire. Then you now determine, your interview will determine how many people you are conducting questionnaire for. So you will not write in your work that you are doing interview and questionnaire. No. You are doing interview, then under the quantity aspect, you let us know that whatever the researcher finds in the field, I'm talking that in terms of a proposal now, whatever the researcher finds in the field will determine how many samples the researcher will use for the quantitative. That is what explanatory is talking about. exploratory